Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Wondering how to create Flask app with Python? Here's a Python script allowed to generate a workable web app with or without a single folder name argument. Change directory into parent directory folder, which generated by Python script. Simply bring up Flask Web app with Flask run. Input localhost address and port 5000 to access default blog page. Voila! Just 3 simple steps. Within 10 seconds you got all the necessary Flask file structure to run and ready to work with for your desired project. Instead of manually setting up the basic project structure, creating files, and installing core dependencies, a generator automates these repetitive tasks. In short, once ran web app generator, general Flask file structure will be generated. These necessary basic building block to get Flask web app up and running. You may simply replace CSS and HTML files with your own project files. Let's take a closer look how the Python script works. This command line Python app rely on argparse library to manage the arguments. Create argument parser instance to set up container for argument specifications and options. For this particular instance, description info has been added. Next, we need to add desired information to be input and provide by user. There is 2 types of argument can be added: positional and optional. Positional is a mandatory argument needs to be provided, and it's identified by variable itself, whereby optional argument is not mandatory, and it's identified by the hyphen sign prefix. After finish setup desired arguments, assign argparse method as a variable to extract data in argparse namespace object. Each argument data extract into respective variable to be utilized later. These are the folders and files to be create. Function to check if input contains alphanumeric characters, underscores and hyphen only, so the folders and files name will not violate system requirements, while try to create these folders and files. All the file content get its data from this Python class object myClassVar. myClassVar imported from my var Python file into argparse main function to be further usage. Further detail info can refer to GitHub repository. Reference link will put under video description. Here is the argument can be accepted by Python argument parser. Here is a ASCII file diagram showing files and folders hierarchy. Simple blog HTML page reference from Foundation site. You may refer to installation steps to download repository from GitHub and run Flask app from Python. Lastly, a quick demo to close up this video. Hope this video been informative and helpful for you. Your support will be greatly appreciated, and incredible encouragement. Please consider like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Finally, thanks you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.